When you want to give your car more energy, what do? You fill it with gas. And of course, it only stands to reason that you need to do the exact same thing when you're giving yourself more fuel. Well, not the exact same thing. You're not filling yourself with gas. But with fuel, yes. We've already seen that one of the most important ways to manage your energy levels is to think harder about your carbs and your timing with them. By consuming more complex carbs, like oats, and more fats, like avocado, you can provide yourself with a steady supply of energy throughout the day. But there's more to it than that, of course. What's also very important is simply to make sure that you're providing yourself with enough calories and that you're spacing your food out enough. This is crucial just to ensure that there's a steady supply of energy while you're going about your business. This is also why going extremely low carb may be a mistake. Studies show us that you actually see a reduction in IQ when you go too low carb. The simple reason is that there isn't enough energy for the brain to function optimally. So, food is fuel, but it's also much more than that. Food is also what provides your body with the raw materials it needs to help you function optimally. And when you function optimally, you have more energy. Nutrients are what the body uses to build muscle, but they're also what the body uses to create those mitochondria, energy factories, and to keep them operating at full capacity. They're also what the body uses to create hormones and neurotransmitters, like the ones that help us wake up in the mornings and the ones that help us rest. The worst thing you can do for your health and energy levels is to maintain a diet purely made up of processed carbs. Things like chocolate bars, crisps, pies, sausage rolls, these all have their goodness removed, and all that's left is a sudden hit of sugar. That causes the sugar spike and trough we talked about, but it also fills you up without providing your body with everything it needs. Honestly, packing your diet with nutrients is essentially like taking all the best bodybuilding supplements in a way that's cheaper and more effective. It boosts your brain power too. Don't spend tons of money on multivitamins and supplements. Just try to get a balanced mixed diet. To demonstrate the importance of nutrients, here are some examples of the things that nutrients do for you. Magnesium and zinc increase testosterone production. CoQ10 increases mitochondrial function. This is found in organ meats and beef. Creatine helps you run further and train longer by recycling ATP. Again, it's found in beef. Choline increases brain activity, and it's found in eggs. Saturated fat is used to create testosterone, and that's found in milk and eggs. Vitamin C boosts your mood via serotonin, and it strengthens the immune system. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish, increases cell membrane permeability, and it improves communication between cells. Vitamin B12 is used to manufacture neurotransmitters. Iron increases the ability to get oxygen around the body. Calcium strengthens muscle contractions. The list just goes on and on. But don't spend ages worrying about all this. Your body evolved to thrive off a balanced and rich diet, and if you just eat lots of stuff that you know is healthy, you'll supply your body with plenty of powerful agents to improve your brain power, strength, and more. Just eating more salads, more fruit smoothies, and more meats will help you to perform better in the long term. And in the short term, you'll sleep better, feel healthier, and enjoy more energy throughout the day.